Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. When you travel abroad, your Android phone may not automatically add the correct country code to contacts saved without it. In this video, we explain the Roaming Assistant or Assisted Dialing feature on Android. It simplifies dialing while you are outside your home country by automatically prepending the proper international code. First, open the phone app on your Android device. Next, tap the menu icon, usually 2 or 3 dots, in the top right corner. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. After that, navigate to Roaming Assistance or Assisted Dialing, depending on your phone model. Finally, enable the toggle for Roaming Assistant or Assisted Dialing to activate the feature. Thank you for watching. Turning on Roaming Assistant ensures your calls go through correctly abroad without adding country codes manually. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more Android tips.